Hello. In this video, we will show you how you can download the GST sales report from TranZact. From TranZact, you will not be able to file your GST returns. However, you can download the GST report for your reference. For that, let's go to the reports module. Here, you can search the report, type GST. It shows you the result. There are two GST reports, GST sales report, GST purchase report. Click on GST sales report. Now select the month. I'm selecting September 22. Now click on generate report. Now here all the invoices will appear of September month. You can choose the columns you want. If you see, it has shown you the error too. Items with zero tax rate, missing HSN code. You can simply download this report by clicking on download. In just one click, you can download this report. As you can see, GST sales report has been downloaded for September month. Similarly, you can also download the GST purchase report. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you. Have a good day.